Hey guys, y'all know about that Popeyes chicken sandwich?
You mean the one that's sold out?
Yeah, and they lining up for it too.
You mean the one that's making everybody want to slap their mama?
Well, yeah, I guess technically they slapping each other for it too. Well, if y'all don't want to deal with that nonsense, here's a simple recipe that y'all can make at home. So keep on watching. So here we got half a pound of chicken breast and boneless thighs. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of seasoned salt, tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1/4 cup of hot sauce. Now we're just gonna mix it all up and add 1 cup of buttermilk and mix it all up again. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make our flour mixture. Start off with 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Alright guys, so the chicken's been marinating in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Now we're gonna dredge it in the flour mixture. Make sure you cover all parts of the chicken. And this part, you can choose to do or not do. I chose to dredge it back into buttermilk. And then back in the flour mixture so that way it's be extra crispy. Alright, so now we're ready to fry the chicken. I'm not gonna count the things, just let it go, blah 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 blah, and that's it.
So we're here, we have that crunchy fried chicken and it's straight out of the fryer. You hear that crunch? Yummy. Okay, so now it's time to put this sandwich together. You got your bun, your spicy mayo, some pickles, and some delicious fried chicken. And that's it. Hey everybody. So as you guys have heard, the Popeyes chicken sandwich has sold out.
Womp womp.
So many people wanted that sandwich, they had to literally take it off of the menu. So
we had the privilege of eating it. So if you guys haven't seen our video of the Popeyes chicken sandwich, we did get a chance to eat it, the spicy one, and it was good. And like she said, it was sold out.
we love that sandwich actually when we had it the other day. It was so good. And because we knew we couldn't get another one, he decided to make it himself so that we could enjoy it anytime we want to at home. And you want to see the finished product?
So here's the finished product. I'm pretty sure you guys saw the video. That's the finished product. Nobody's just tasted it. Well, Lonnie's tasted it and she said it was too spicy, so it can never be too spicy for us because we love spicy food. Well, I love spicy food.
I like kind of spicy food, but not too spicy, so we'll see.
Maybe on our mama, because I don't really like it too spicy either.
Yeah, so we'll see how this one came out. Does it beat the competition?
Did I cook it right?
Is the Cruz Crew chicken sandwich better than the Popeyes chicken sandwich? We are gonna see and check it out right now.
Let's take a bite. And mine's is huge. See it? See the bun? See? It's huge.
This is a huge chicken.
Mmm. It's crunchy.
Mm-hmm. You taste the spice. Got the pickles right there too.
And we put a spicy mayo on it.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty good.
Thank you, Mom.
Mm-mm.
Mmm. Ooh, that's spicy.
I really like the crunch. It was a bit spicy. Definitely spicier than the Popeyes chicken sandwich we had yesterday or the other day when we ate it.
The bread is soft.
You guys should definitely try to make this at home though. You don't even guys spend your own money. Well, I guess you guys spend your own money to buy the stuff, but you can make it yourself. Why have to go out and wait in lines for a sandwich when you can make it yourself at home?
You ain't gotta wait till whenever Popeyes does it because, like, that's what happened was all their supply till October ran out, right? That's what people are saying.
Now that you guys have seen how to make this chicken sandwich, you should probably try to make it for yourself at home.
Make it for your loved ones, make it for your pastor, make it for your mama, make it for your daddy, make it for your brother, sister, make it for everybody. They'll love it. We love it.
Yeah. And maybe somebody who didn't get it the other day, you could surprise them. So you got them one.
Yeah.
They don't have to know the little secret that you made it yourself. Water because it's spicy. But again, let us know if you try it, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.